Now question first. What was headmaster's opinion about Einstein? Simran. Simran, answer the question. What was headmaster's opinion about Einstein?
मैम जब आपने ये चैप्टर पढ़ाया था मैं आई नहीं थी।
Okay, beta. Good. Arpita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that he was stupid and he will never succeed in life.
Your voice is not clear, beta. Repeat the answer. Arpita, repeat the answer. Your voice is not clear, beta.
Ma'am, his master's opinion about him that he was stupid and he would never succeed in life.
Good. His opinion about the Einstein that he is a stupid boy and he never successful in his life. Now next question. When was Albert Einstein born? और ये क्वेश्चन कुलदीप के लिए। कुलदीप, answer the question. When was Albert Einstein born? कुलदीप।
मैम मैं बताऊं?
रितेश, ओके आंसर। रितेश, हाँ आंसर दीजिए बेटा।
मैम Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city Ulm.
Very good. Now next question. Why did his mother think he was freak? Khushbu, can you answer this question? Why did his mother think he was freak? He was abnormal. He was mad. क्यों सोचती थी उसकी मदर? जागृति, जागृति, please switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, switch on your camera. Jagriti, can you answer the question? Why did his mother think he was freak?
Yes, ma'am.
An answer?
Ma'am, his mother thinks that Albert Einstein was freak because his head seems too much large, and everybody thought that Albert Einstein was a boring child.
Okay. Anyone else? Switch on your mic.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Giva.
Because ma'am, Albert Einstein's head was too large as compared to his body, so he seems to be abnormal.
Good. This is the right answer. Now next question.
मैम,
हाँ बेटा।
ये भी तो हो सकता है मैम, वो उम्र तक एकदम बोल ही नहीं पाया था।
हाँ ये भी हो सकता है, but in the text it is given that his head was too much large. His head was too much large. According.
मैम इसको 2 पॉइंट में से कर सकते हैं।
You can answer. You can answer in both points. Who is answering now? कौन बोल रहा था अभी? अभी किसने आंसर दिया था? सेकंड वन, because he started speaking late. किसने दिया था ये आंसर?
मैंने।
अपना नाम बताओ बेटा, तो अपना कैमरा चालू करो।
आदित्य।
आदित्य, कैमरा चालू करो, that's why I can see you. ऑन है?
कैमरा ऑन ही है मैम मेरा इसमें।
Why did Einstein begin learning to play violin? Mohit Jangir. Why did Einstein begin learning to play violin? Mohit Jangir. Why did Einstein begin learning to play violin? Anyone else?
Ma'am, may I?
Give the chance to another one.
मैम
I thought that no one knows.
Now, Tanishq.
Einstein began learning to play violin because his mother wanted him to learn.
Good. Because his mother wanted to learn him violin playing.
मैम
Now next question. हाँ बेटा.
मैम इसका
हाँ आदित्य.
The headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose the profession wouldn't matter because he will never make a success at anything. Then Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6.
हाँ ये तो सही है ही, पर इसका रियल रीजन यही था कि हिज मदर वांटेड दिस. उसकी मदर ये चाहती थी कि वो वायलिन प्ले करना सीखे. दैट्स व्हाई ही स्टार्टेड टू लर्न प्लेइंग वायलिन. ओके. Question number 5. How can we say that headmaster was not correct in his opinion of Einstein? Who can answer this question? Please switch on your mic.
When may I?
Who is saying may I?
Aditya.
Accept Aditya. Anyone else? Okay, Aditya.
After he had
Okay, first Aditya बताएगा पहले.
he became one of the most popular scientists in the world.
Okay, good beta. Now Tanish.
Ma'am, we can say that headmaster was not correct in his opinion about Einstein because in his future he became a very successful scientist and was highly gifted in mathematics and also in physics. So, ma'am, we can say that he was not correct as he said to his father that whatever he would choose as his profession, he would never make a success. Though he became a very successful scientist, and now after his death also we remember him as a visionary and world citizen scientist.
Very good. Your elaborate is too much. Very well explained answer बेटा. बहुत ही अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है. अगर 5 मार्क्स में भी एक क्वेश्चन आए तो आप इसको बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. 2 मार्क्स में आता है तब हमें इसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट में लिख देना है. Now Giva is also wanted to answer this question. Giva?
Ma'am, I was saying the same thing as Tanish said.
Good. Okay. Now next question. Why did Einstein leave the school? Very easy answer. Meena. Aditya Meena. Is the Aditya Meena in the class? Aditya Meena. Aditya Meena is not here. Aditya Meena. Okay, now Ritesh. Why did he leave the school? Why did Einstein leave the school? Mohit. Okay, Mohit, now answer the question. Why did Einstein leave the school?
Einstein left the school in Munich for good because he hated the school regimentation.
Oh, good. Regimentation. Regimentation, or you can say the hard discipline, strict discipline. Okay, good. Right, beta. The next question. What he said when he saw his newborn sister? What he said when he saw his newborn sister?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
One minute, beta. Yashasvi Rajvi.
Ma'am, can I?
Yashasvi Rajvi, answer the question.
Yes, ma'am. Einstein, when Einstein saw his newborn sister, he said everything is all right, but where are her wheels?
Very good. Good, beta. Everything is okay, but where was her wheel? उसके wheel कहाँ है? अगर इसी क्वेश्चन को हम थोड़ा दूसरी तरीके से पूछे तो why he said this? उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा? उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why he said this?
Because he
was very interested in
mechanical toys. Playing with mechanical toys.
Good, because he was too much interested in mechanical toys. Good.
So
मैम इसको वो डीपली इंटरेस्टेड था तो इसको मैम क्या कहेंगे हम? That he was deeply interested in mechanical toys.
Deeply interested, greatly interested भी कह सकते हो, deeply interested भी कह सकते हो, too much interested भी कह सकते हो. Okay. Now, next question. In which subject Einstein was extraordinary and in which subject he was interested? ये बहुत ही easy question है. Kuldeep, now make a try to answer. Kuldeep.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत ही easy question है. In which subject Einstein was extraordinary? एक part बता दो. In which subject Einstein
मैं
was...
दूं?
Once a minute, beta. Let him try. Pratha, can you answer the question? Pratha. Okay, now Saurabh. Oh, Rishabh, you want to answer this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Einstein had extraordinary in mathematics and in which subject? Ma'am, he has interested in physics.
Okay, Einstein was extraordinary in math and he was interested in physics. Good. Now next question. What did his playmates call him? Who can answer this question?
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am, can I?
Once a minute, beta.
Boring
Once a minute, beta. I want to give the chance another students also.
Ma'am, मैं बताऊं?
Ma'am.
कौन था मैं बताऊं वाला? मोहित.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. पहले मोहित फिर जागृति भी बताएगी. पहले मोहित बताओ. What did his playmates call? मोहित, आंसर दो बेटा.
His call him brother boring.
Yeah. His playmates called him brother boring. आपका क्या आंसर था जागृति? Is the same?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, same thing.
Okay. Now Kanupriya has also joined the class. Kanupriya.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer this question?
मैम मैं तो अभी ज्वाइनिंग, मेरे पापा ने मेरे को अभी दिया है मोबाइल.
ओके बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. एक चैप्टर तो हमारा कल से चल रहा है ना कल. What did his playmates call him? उसके playmates उसको क्या बुलाते थे, क्या बोल के बुलाते थे? नहीं दे पा रहे हो जवाब?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
ओके बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इसका आंसर दे दिया है मोहित ने. His playmates called him brother boring. कनुप्रिया, सुना आपने?
Yes, ma'am, एक बार रिपीट करना.
His playmates called him brother boring. Now Kuldeep, can you repeat the answer? Kuldeep.
His playmates called him boring brothers.
Brother boring. Very good. Now next question. What was special in Einstein's life in year 1903? What was special in Einstein's life in year 1903? Who can answer this question?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, I can.
Tarini, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
मैं बताऊं.
Tarini.
Ma'am, he finally married to Mileva and had 2 sons in 1903.
1903. Only married आएगा बेटा. He married with Mileva Maric in 1903. और कौन आंसर देना चाह रहा था? गीवा.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Ma'am, he finally got married with Mileva Maric after a huge prolonged with his mother.
Okay, good. Now next question. What was the name of his wife? अब ये आंसर बहुत ही सरल है, कविश इसका आंसर देगा.
मैम
What was the name of his wife?
मैम मैं बताऊं?
कविश. हाँ. What was the name of his wife? कविश.
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर दो बेटा. What was the name of his wife?
मैम
मैं बताऊं?
मैं बताऊं?
मैम I know this answer.
Okay, now Kuldeep. Kavish is unable to answer. Now Kuldeep.
Ma'am,
Mileva Mary.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, you can also. Answer दो बेटा.
बोल दिया.
Your voice is not clear, beta. What was the name of his wife? His wife's name was Mileva Mary. When did he publish his special theory of relativity? Special theory of relativity.
Ma'am, I can.
Ritesh.
Ma'am.
Ritesh.
मैम पहले का पता था मैम, अब इसका नहीं पता.
पहले का पता था. ये कौन सा पहले वाला है, दूसरे वाला? ये स्पेशल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. Simran. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
You not joined the class. Okay.
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am, पहले का बोल रहा.
हाँ.
1905.
Ma'am,
मैम I think I know.
Oh, I think I know.
मैम बाद में पता चला.
Ma'am, he is little bit confused in himself.
I think he was little bit confused, but we should try. हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए. गलत है तो कोई बात नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
गलत है नेक्स्ट टाइम सही हो जाएगा. और गलत है तो हाँ, जब आंसर नहीं आता तो ना ही क्लास लेफ्ट करनी है और ना ही कि मुझे नहीं आता है. कोशिश करो, ठीक है. अब रितेश का भी सही आंसर है. In 1905 he published his special theory of relativity.
Ma'am, what is the theory of relativity?
What is Einstein's special theory of relativity? Special theory of relativity क्या थी जो 1905 में उसने पब्लिश?
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Jagriti also want to answer. Jagriti also want to answer this question. Jagriti. Jagriti.
Ma'am, world's most famous formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy, E equals to mc squared.
Good.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ आप भी बताओ.
According to Einstein's special theory of relativity, time and distance are not absolute. In fact, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they came together again after a journey. If one of them had been moved very fast relative to the other.
इसका हाफ पार्ट रह गया. फिर ये तो आपने बताया कि टाइम एंड एक और था ना वो नॉट कंप्लीट. इसका आधा पार्ट छूट गया ना.
Mass and energy.
हाँ, there is a relationship between mass and energy. वो वाला पार्ट आपने छोड़ दिया बेटा. अच्छा कोशिश किया. गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. When did he publish his general theory of relativity?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Tarini.
Mom, in 1915.
1915. Right, beta. Kuldeep. When did he publish his general theory of relativity? Kuldeep.
Ma'am, I know.
Kuldeep. General theory of relativity.
Ma'am, I know.
कुलदीप, आई एम आस्किंग टू कुलदीप. कुलदीप, अभी अभी तारिणी ने आंसर दिया है बेटा.
मैम
When did he publish his
1915.
general thought? हाँ, 1915. और दूसरा क्वेश्चन और था, when did he publish his special theory of relativity? Special theory of relativity. When did he publish? वो कब पब्लिश करी थी?
Ma'am, I know.
Saurabh, I want to ask the answer from Saurabh. Saurabh. Saurabh.
शायद से 1950.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, beta, I will ask to you also, but first try to.
मैम आई नो.
मैम सौरभ बोल रहा है.
हाँ बेटा बोलो. मैम नहीं पता. नहीं पता. तो मैं आपको फिर से बता देती हूँ सौरभ. जो स्पेशल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी था वो था 1905 में, और जो जनरल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी है वो 1915 में था. अब याद रखोगे?
यस मैम.
ओके. अब बताओ रितेश, आप बहुत देर से बता रहे थे, अब तो आंसर मिल गया. वैसे जनरल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी.
Ma'am, journal. Ma'am, 1915. Ma'am.
था रितेश?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
did he receive the Nobel Prize? Yes, Ritesh again.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
मैम may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
Ma'am, please.
ma'am, I know the answer.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
me
I
too.
Ma'am, I know the answer. Ma'am, very easy.
नोबेल प्राइज उसको कब मिला था? When did he receive the Nobel Prize?
Ma'am, ma'am, I have.
1921.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, okay.
मैम मैं
Answer.
बताऊं?
Nine-
Ma'am, मैं बताऊं?
हाँ बताओ.
1925.
Ma'am, 1921.
1921.
Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921.
गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी आपने पहले ही आंसर दे दिया. गुड. मैंने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही बनाया था कि इसी में पूछूंगी.
मैम, आइंस्टाइन की सेकंड वाइफ का नाम पूछ लो.
अच्छा, आप बताओ. आदित्य, आप बताओ बेटा, क्या नाम था उसकी सेकंड वाइफ का?
मैं बताऊं? मेरे को पता है. एल्सा मैम, एल्सा.
She was his cousin, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. She was a cousin of Melissa Merrick.
In 1919.
Ma'am, on the same year.
Okay, means you read the lesson very well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, bye students. Time is over.
मैम आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही, आप क्या कह रहे हो?
Bye.
Time over हो चुका है. Bye.
Time is over. Now leave the class. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
अगली क्लास
Bye,
में
bye.
क्वेश्चन आंसर करना है क्या?
For leaving the class, make sure about your attendance. Ensure your attendance. I'm leaving the link again.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम मेरी अटेंडेंस नहीं हुई.
Okay, बेटा.
मैम लिंक दे दो ना.